Friends, surely you all know about dangerous creatures like the titanoboa. Perhaps you are unaware of how many terrifying and giant animals roam the Indian subcontinent. Indeed, many of the animals of the Indian subcontinent have stunning records. Here, the Indian subcontinent refers to animals in both Pakistan and India, so make sure to watch the entire video. First, Rajasaurus. You must have heard about the T-Rex, a predatory dinosaur, and about dangerous dinosaurs like sauropods, which lived on both water and land. And have you ever heard of any Indian dinosaur? Yes, the mighty Rajasaurus, which ruled in Gujarat, India, 72,000 years ago. This is the same time when T-Rex was also roaming the North American continent. The diet of Rajasaurus primarily consisted of sauropods. Specifically, this huge sauropod was found in both India and Pakistan. Although sauropods were as large as 2 adult Asian elephants, Rajasaurus could still hunt them with great ease. Rajasaurus had a small horn on its head, the purpose of which scientists have not yet determined. That may have been related to attracting female Rajasaurus. Along with all the famous dinosaurs, Rajasaurus went extinct around 66 million years ago. Next, Pakicetus. If the evolution of such whales is included in a discovery that shakes humanity in this world, it would not be wrong because the blue whale is undoubtedly the largest living thing in the animal kingdom. However, this wolf, which collided with dogs near your home, was a Pakistani animal discovered in the Kohat region of Pakistan. That is why it is named after Pakistan. This animal is a type of Indochus, and the animal you see in front of you is also an Indochus, as well as a distant relative of Pakicetus. Before the formation of the Himalayas, around 50 million years ago, India and a part of Pakistan were islands. Archaic species were found on those islands, and from there, they became widespread in many settlements. Water mammals are referred to as cetaceans, and friends, the largest animal in this world, the blue whale, originated from the Indian subcontinent. You all must know about the tallest animals, giraffes, which are certainly found in Africa. However, there was a time in this world when the largest and strongest version of the giraffe was found in the Indian subcontinent. So yes, meet Sivatherium, whose name is based on the Hindu god Shiva, as it was discovered in the Shivalik Hills. The Shivalik Hills extend across Pakistan, India, Nepal, and Bhutan. Both in the forest and on land, these animals lived quite comfortably, and although they looked terrifying, they were actually gentle creatures. Their existence dates back to around 7 million years ago, a time when Megalodon, a dangerous creature, roamed the seas and land. Like the Glyptodont, theories believe that humans occasionally hunted these animals. Details of how this happened remain unclear. Do you have any knowledge about extinct animals? You might have heard of Smilodon, which ruled North and South America for many years. Do you know who Smilodon's ancestor was? Yes, it was the Megantherion, which was also found in the Shivalik Hills of Pakistan and India. This is why the Megantherion's diet was rich in large megafauna, because they could easily catch animals with their short claws and then tear them apart. This was around 500,000 years ago. 2.5 million years ago, a small population had crossed the Bering Land Bridge, and later, due to excessive hunting, this population adapted to become the apex predator, known as Smilodon. Paraceratherium, they were first discovered in the province of Balochistan, which is why they are also known as Baluchitherium. If you look at Balochistan today, it may seem like a barren desert. 50 million years ago, when the Himalayas were formed, the climate changed completely, and due to increased rainfall, Balochistan was as dense as the Amazon rainforest. This is why Paraceratherium maintained its green, herbivorous diet. Its weight could reach up to 20 tons, equivalent to 4 African elephants. This was around 23 million years ago, and they are said to have dominated the area. Friends, almost everyone knows about the giant woolly mammoths, but many people think their size was much larger. Let me clarify that woolly mammoths were about the same size as African elephants, and were not the largest species of elephant in the world. So which species was the largest elephant to ever exist? Yes, the large Paleoloxodon pneumaticus from rural Pakistan and India. The size of this animal was comparable to that of a truck, and its weight could reach around 22 tons. This means that 314 humans were equivalent to it. Findings from sites in India suggest that after their extinction, climate change resulted in the rise of Paraceratherium. Both Paleoloxodon pneumaticus and Paraceratherium are contenders for the largest land mammals. According to several sources, Paleoloxodon pneumaticus was much larger, meaning that the largest land mammal found in this world was located in the Indian subcontinent. Until a few months ago, everyone believed that Titanoboa was the largest snake, which is why I mentioned this in my most famous video. However, in 2024, the Vasuki indicus, which will be described, has broken all records and claimed the title of the largest snake. It was discovered in Gujarat, India, in 2005, but was ignored and referred to as a giant crocodile. However, if we look at the Titanoboa, it was around 42 feet long, while the size of Vasuki indicus could reach up to 50 feet, approximately the length of 3 standard-sized limousines. These giant animals could easily swallow prey in one go. They were top hunters of their time, and even hunted whales. Here, I am talking about the land-dwelling creatures of Pakistan. While Titanoboa spent most of its time in water, Vasuki indicus preferred to live on land. Vasuki indicus was also found around 50 million years ago, a time when we humans were not much larger than mice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.